Hello my dear students. Welcome again to online class of science for class 3rd. Topic is cleanliness, health and hygiene. So today in this video we will cover the exercise part of the chapter. So first exercise is tick the correct answer. Part A, trim your nails. Your options are daily, once a week, once a month, or any time. So its correct answer is we should trim our nails once a week. Part B, a good way to exercise is. Your options are yoga, cycling, running, and all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. Yoga, cycling, and running. All these are good ways to exercise. Part C, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched on. The correct answer is 2nd October 2014. Part D, clean your ears with a. Your options are matchstick, hairpin, clean towel, or any of them. So students, we should clean our ears with a clean towel. Exercise number 2 is write true or false. Part A, we should not wash our combs. This is false. Part B, we should pick our nose to clean it. Students, this is false. Part C, living in unclean surroundings can make us sick. Yes, this is true. Part D, our body needs rest to recover when it is tired. This is also true. Third exercise is fill in the blanks. Part A, dash helps to build muscles. So its answer is exercising helps to build muscles. Part B, cover the dash in which garbage is thrown. So the answer is dustbin. We should cover the dustbin in which garbage is thrown. Part C, never urinate or defecate in the open. So write down defecate in the blank. Part D, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Exercise number 4 is answer the following questions. Part A is what are germs? Answer is germs are very small living things that cannot be seen with naked eyes. They cause diseases. Part B, what are the objectives of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? Answer is the objectives of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan are number 1, to clean streets and roads of countries, cities and towns. Number 2, to manage waste in villages. And number 3 is to bring water pipelines in villages. Next question, why should you not spit in the open? Its answer is we should not spit in the open because spit attracts germs and flies that can spread infection. So we should not spit in the open. Part D, list 3 ways of keeping your surroundings clean. Its answer is first, garbage should be collected in covered dustbins. Number 2, never spit in the open. Number 3 is never urinate or defecate in the open. Next question is, list 3 ways of keeping your body clean. So first point is brush teeth twice a day. Number 2, take bath daily. And number 3 is always clean the ears with a clean towel. Next exercise is HOTS, means high order thinking skill. The question is, Ria eats a banana. She keeps the peel in her hand and throws it in the dustbin on reaching home. Is she helping to keep the surroundings clean? The answer is yes, she is helping to keep the surroundings clean. Now next exercise is, you have to write a note on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India movement is a campaign by the Government of India to clean the streets, roads, infrastructure of the country's cities and towns. This campaign was officially launched on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat, New Delhi by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So students, these were the exercise of the chapter. Now for homework, you have to learn new words of the chapter and learn and write all these exercises in your notebook. That's all for now. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.